Good morning, everyone. Christina here. How's everyone today? I just want to leave you with the card of the day. I've decided this is how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to pick a card for all of us to contemplate throughout our day. And then on the evenings when I can come on and do a live stream, we can maybe chat about it and see where you observe that throughout your day or experience anything related to it throughout the day, or maybe ask some questions about it. So we can do that in the group chat, or if anybody wants to come on with me when I do a Google Hangout and, just talk about it and see what we can share from that and what maybe insights or anything that we gained through the day or observed, whatever it may be, based on the card. So the card I picked today, as you can see, is diverse communication. And again, you can interpret that any way you want, contemplate on it, observe where maybe you see yourself with your partner, with your children, with in your work, in whatever it is you may be doing. Observe the diverse communication, because it really does create. It can create so many different things, and the potential there for whatever, especially if you're trying to implement something or really create something. So diverse communication is always important. Communication is always important anyways, to have that open dialogue there and to be able to feel comfortable to communicate anything to anyone, as long as you come from respect and integrity and compassion and understanding for the other person. There's nothing wrong with sharing certain things that you need to express or release, but as long as you have respect for the other person in that sense. But diverse communication, see where this goes, see where it takes you, what it entails, or what you can experience with it. And just to let you know, this is my digital art, and it's the words written and then creates this wonderful abstract, which holds the energy of these words and then creates something else that creates a whole different frequency. So you can tune into that if you want. I know it's just a quick picture of the card that I have. Actually, you know what? I completely forgot. I made a PDF first before I actually had these cards made, physical cards made. So I do have a PDF, and the picture is a lot better. So I think I'll start using that from now on. So every morning I'm going to put out a little video with a card for the day, and then I'll try to. I don't think I can do every day a live stream, but I am going to come on tonight, and we can go through that, and then maybe the days that I'm not on, we can look back at the cards that were over the next couple days. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to try this, and I'd love to hear what you guys have to say and experience throughout the day. So I'm off to enjoy the town again, because I just love where I am, meet some new friends, have some lunch. I wish you all the best and have a beautiful day. Much love and blessings to all of you. See you later.